They say where three rivers meet, there will never be a tornado in LaCrosse County. Isn't this beautiful?
We're just taking a shortcut to that road I want you to go on. There's a tree stump right there. I was parked. You see where that yellow bug is?
Mm-hmm.
That's where I was parked. I was trying to get it into the ramp. And just keep going straight here. And you'll wind around, go back, and end up down there by the road.
Oh, this has really changed.
Yeah, there's the new ramp. That's employee parking ramp I was trying to get into.
You were trying to get into that?
Yeah, from over here.
Oh,
I was right over here, and I was trying to get in. And you have to swipe your badge and shit to get in there, so it's a process. Then take a left. All clear this way. Okay. There's some branches down there, but just keep going straight.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to take my time here.
Okay. Oh yeah, the apartment complex. Not this one.
Oh, look at this one over here.
Right there started the damage on that one, and then oh yeah, over here. Yeah, there you go. And a lot of cars are slowing down, so you don't have to worry about people getting angry. Everybody's filming it, and looking at it. Roof. It's condemned. I can see that arena damage over there from 6th floor in CCU. There's more damage to the right down here. Look at that tree, how abolished. What's fouled.
Well, this is pretty bad.
Yeah. You take a right here.
LaCrosse, Wisconsin's tornado.
Yeah, this was condemned. I saw the residents walking with their baskets of belongings on Sunday night when I came home from
sad.
work. Isn't that? Look at that. Can you imagine being in there when that occurred? And some people must have been. I ran into the people walking.
You can see right into the apartment, right? There is no roof.
Nope, no roof. It's all gone. Completely gone.
Well, how did they know to get out of there?
I have no idea. It's just a miracle that nobody was seriously injured.
Nobody has been seriously injured.
Nope. And there's the roof, or the side of the, I don't know if that's a skating arena over there or not, but that's the side that was blown in or whatever.
The Green Island skating rink? That's gone.
You can just see the debris up against the windows and stuff. The same thing I was feeling when I was sitting in my car.
Not much left of the trees.
And down there, that beautiful white house. That little house here on the corner that I always see when I come out of my apartment building. I think it's damaged, but I don't know if it's if it's a total loss or not. This little white house got some damage.
Yeah, I know that. You used to know a lady there that worked at the company store. So.
Yeah, I can see the... Look at how close I was to losing my apartment.
Mm-hmm.
I was so scared when I came home because everybody was telling me at work, apartments on Miller Street were destroyed. That's what they were telling me. Yeah, that had a lot of damage. Lost a tree. This beautiful house right here, you wouldn't believe how beautiful it was. Pillar knocked down, a tree. And if you turn around and go back down Green Island Road, you can do that too.
Let me know if there's anyone behind me.
Okay. Nobody yet.
Yeah, come right up from the river right here.
Come right up
to the Mississippi. Good Lord.
And I missed that house over there too. That person was fortunate.
Okay. Just amazing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this house over here, it was lucky it wasn't completely destroyed.
What?
The roof and stuff and some damage on the side. I don't know if they'll condemn it or not, but it was a beautiful home. And you can kind of just make a U-turn here.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a whole down here. There's a big tree down right there. Big old pine.
Mm-hmm.
That must have been part of that person's house right there.
Oh, sure. Well, their garage.
Garage. And this little place got it a little bit, but I don't know if anybody really lived in that thing or not. It's condemned. It's got the orange thing. I don't think anybody was living in there. Look at that tree house up there. Never got touched. Mm-hmm. Never got touched.
Wow, this is unbelievable.
Yeah. Clean up for a long time, let me tell you.
Yeah, where three rivers meet.
Yep.
It really don't mean anything.
Right off the river.
Sure.
Yeah, that's how close I was to all of it. And see, that's hot there. See there where the parking ramp was, where I was?
Mm-hmm.
That's how close I was to it all.
Well, when you called me and you said, I'm in the middle of a tornado.
Yeah.
Which way?
To the right. There's a little bit down here.
And I thought, what are you doing in the middle of a tornado?
Yeah, I know. I was just got in the ramp and I was shaking and I had to call and talk to somebody. This place had a huge tree down, but they must have cut it.
Okay. Do I pull in here?
No, you don't fall in there.
So there's actually more?
Well, actually, when I went down the straight road, I did see some, but they may have cleaned up a lot of it.
This is where we used to have our boathouse.
Yeah, boathouse. See, there's some trees. They cut them up already. There's been some cleanup down here. You don't have to go down too far. There's just a certain path from starting from that river and coming up through by the hospital and down Green Bay and West Avenue.
Well, that's an old place.
Isn't that a cute little place?
Yeah.